Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to send dice on Monopoly Go. So if you want to go ahead and try to send dice onto your friends or family, so this is a step-by-step guide for you. So there's actually no straightforward process onto how to do this, but there is actually a way for you to be able to send 30 dice to your friends. So as you can see, this is how the game works. You'll just have to press onto the go button to roll in the dice and to move in the icon onto the board. So there would be some rewards for that. And for you to be able to go ahead and send the dice, you'll just need to head onto the friends button onto the bottom part. You should be able to see the invite button with the phone contact logo in there with the 30 dice onto its upper part. Click onto it, and then you should be able to add in a contacts for that. So if you could go ahead and try to add them onto your contacts, then they should be able to receive the 30 dice for them. And that's just basically it onto sending dice to your friends and family onto Monopoly Go. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you onto our next video.